Babe, what? Babe, now? The latest movie in the cinema. Look at it.
Is that why you want to disturb me? You just want to spoil my selfie.
Babe, calm down now.
I will filter it out.
Shift,
Instagram.
Lucy, see now. The latest movie in the cinema. It's so nice. The graphics on point.
See, you know I'm not the movie person now, but...
Now what for now? Both of them just drive for inside this house. Say me, darling. Yeah. See now, let's go and see this movie, please.
I'm not interested in anything for now, please.
Now what for now?
Rubbish. What? Oh my God! Look at this guy. Oh my God!
Wait now. You know I know him.
Why you say that? Please, everybody, I'm serious. This is news. Please, what this news, I beg.
This is breaking news. The federal government of Nigeria has declared February 14 as General Election Day. All Nigerian citizens are advised to go and get their PVC, known as Permanent Voters Card, to enable them vote in the coming election. There will be no movement on February 14. Once again, Nigeria are advised to vote wisely and also remember your vote is your right.
Suspecting he's going to propose on that day.
Diane said we're going to go to a resort.
Yo, babe, hello, babe.
Hello, baby. Have you heard?
Who died?
I know in this country. About February 14 now.
So many plans for you that I don't know about you, Shabba, but oh my God.
It's not fair now. It's not fair. Why would they just do that to us?
Well, I will calm down. Don't worry, I will calm down. We need to be. I'm so sad.
I know you're feeling bad too. I understand.
Oh my God. I feel like why all this now?
It's not fair at all. Wait, let me call you back.
Desmond, what operating system are you working with?
My brother!
It must be Linus.
My brother!
Lion.
My brother!
Linus.
Yes! He's a lion! Yeah, that government, you have done so good! Thank you for the I have a call. Oh, my baby. Hello, darling.
I had to rush out of the office to the restroom to call you. I'm so happy. February 14 will be great for us. Haven't you heard?
What? Heard what?
They've cancelled the election.